check ukuthi ngenzani. So umama nangu sikhulumile naye. You understand? Umama uyazi ukuthi ngomthetho umfazi uyachata ufaka emzini. Ngiyangizwisisa. So umama ulwa ne boyfriend yakhe. Akasamupha ingubo, akasalali naye. Omunye ulala ngale, then emzini muphi? Emzini la ekutheni ngoka boyfriend. Umuntu nakafuna ukuba nomuntu uyaphuma emntwini wakhe. Which is something engayenzakali kwemhlabeni. You understand? So the reason why sibila sikhulume no sesina ngabe ungena ngapha ngena ngendlela right because you are guys going to kill each other. Oqala you cannot force ukuhlala nomuntu la khona ngicabana khona because ayikho okay, can you show us any legal document that shows ukuthi indawo lengi yakho you own ngani because it's a boyfriend. You are not a wife. So nangabe mhlambe uchatile, we don't have any problem. Court will decide because this is a boyfriend and girlfriend. But the land owned by the boyfriend. Akunala umfazi angena khona. Unabantwana siyakuvumela lokho. Abantwana ngebakabani. Kuthi ukuthi girlfriend nayibana abantwana ine right ukuthi ifikithi ngiyakhela umuzi or ngikengibela kwami ngoba nginabantwana. Nawo thoma ukuba nomntwana wokuthoma. Ungakathatha umlando uyise ekhaya. It's a problem number 1. Abazali bakasisi abakwazi khabo boyfriend. Usesi lona ngenzakala something bazokuthubulele ngibani bazokuthubulele iboyfriend angisho. So abantwana bakhona they exist. We even intimidated them ukuthi no let's see ukuthi ubani ayohlala because of Moses na ikosa move until this matter is resolved. But then the woman qala sithi okay because unabantwana angeke sikuthathe siphose strategy. Let's find you an alternative place where you can stay. Ngacela ifamily ukuthi ayimtholele room which musa lokho. Bamtholele room but still akafuna ukushift. Nifuna ukuthi sekuvele isidumbu ukushifta kwakhona kosevele isidumbu. Because we as naye ukuthi akasese boyfriend akabasahlali. So what was the use ukuthi bahlale endaweni? Bay 2. It's because of ukhona umunye ofuna indlu le ofuna ukuyina indlu. Indlu azangaza ayithenga. Usesina ngasinikeza amaphepha athi indlu ngiyami. Lo ngizakhela kwami la uMoses akaphuma. Moses can just move out of this place. So ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi mhlambe imbokoti ifila ngasuthi uma ucotshiwe ebusuku la ngizokhona ukuthi bathi uma usukile sikhulume naye sathi ma ngcono silale ngoba sebusuku but thina umthetho wasivumela silale lapho esikhona. Sathi ngcono silale kusasa ekseni ukhona ukuphuma uchifte bakunikeza okhulu because awuna next awuna mbhedo awuna ngubo but we asked uMoses ukuthi let him give him something azokhona ukuhlala erumini leyo nabantwana bakhe until into yenzeke ngokomthetho. Nangabe uMoses ufuna ukumchata or the reason why angafuni ukulala naye is because of akamchata angisho mubuza mtshela ukuthi Moses ngicela ukuthi ungichate mawucela ukungchata therefore ngizokhona ukuthi ube mfazi wami but still akafuni lokho. I don't know ukuthi ufuna yiphi angazi ukuthi mhlambe nani abantwana bafike bahlele nama boyfriend naka boyfriend naka nomuzi ukuthi uthi seka nomuzi mhlambe angazi inkangala nisebenza njalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi that's what she's doing and like uzibuza ukuthi usesina kabona ukuthi ube nomntwana okuqala which is a lesson. Indoda nangaba ikuthatha you have to fight okay indoda ngicela ungithathe so that ukuthi ngikona ukuba mfazi wakho ngendlela right. Uba nomntwana is2 jikiji ukuthi indlu yabantwana. How about the first children sanabo abantwana bokuqala bona ke because indoda le yahlukumezeka mawungamuzwa ukukhuluma athi ngiyashayiwa ngenza we don't know the history or whatever but the main point ukuthi ama calls seswa receive from our followers bas abanye abahlala khona la bangakhona ukuthi basiveze bathi uyashayiwa le ndoda and sikhulume naye samnikeza chance atendo umfazi sebenza indoda yakho ngikhona ukuthi zama ukuthi umsibize in so that kuthi akhona ukushintsha umcondo but then she doesn't akasamfuna akamthandi but uhlala naye asamfuni then you cannot force her ukuthi solo thina siza la sikhuluma into eyi usesi bekhaba ngikhulumile nomama wakhe usisi the best thing ukuthi nje enzeni athathe izinto zakhe abuyele ekhaya or nangaba akafuni room but ukuhlala la sizokubuya siza ukuthi omunye ufile. Thina sifuna ukubuya labathi kunesidumbu because of sesukatelela ukuhlala umuzi uyasebenzela umuzi ukuthi as I'm saying I was giving you an example about the issue yokuthi girlfriend ngoba girlfriend wafika wahlala khabo boyfriend kusho ukuthi wena umuzi wakho boyfriend sengoyikhe sengwakho uyogcina lapho soba ngumuzi ungakawusebenzeni. So usisi sizela sizomtshela ukuthi namhlanje thina sicela sizamela ukuthi size elangisho nithi simkhiphe ebusuku size early ke namhlanje uyazi ukuthi best expect ukuthi uza pakizini but then zwile bathi vele unekanye nawe uyahlala Which would is either kose ahlale lapho khona uMoses afile. Uyachiefta uyakhamba ukuthi bangicotshe ebusuku. People they start to be angry. Baxotsha umntwana nabantu ebusuku, we cannot do that. Sihleli la sathi sabanye mina bengithi sicala ma umkhipha kose kubene la umfaka khona. So that we take abamthole to an alternative safe place. Which now kholomo Musa. Uze ngani? Lokuqala. Let's say uchatile. Nakachatiweko that one I think bora bamkhiphela amalobo i-customary marriage it's recognized. Ayikho into emenza ukuthi ahlale la. So I want to know ukuthi okay fine ke ngizwitsa lembo kodwa anyone ongaba ne concern mhlambe kuyikhona into sigayazi. Mina ngifisa ukwazi ihlangothi lenu as imbokodo ukuthi okay thina the reason why sila is because of sithukela this and that thina asiyona a threat. Kokuthoma into siyenza we listen to both parties. Simelelisile usisi. Nas before sokuhamba sahlala naye phasi sabanikeza ithuba ukuthi let's see which within that 7 days niyokwenza njani. Niyohlala kanjani. Ngabe ngamfonela, mangimfonela phone ayicishile, ngafonela nomama yakhe. Umntwaneni kanimfundise kanjani? Because uhlala ne boyfriend but still uzonke boyfriend leyo ahlala nayo. Nithini? Mkhwenyana wenu nithini ngaye? Akamfundi. Mama ngikhulume naye efonini what's the best thing because of umntwana angisho okay fine nangabe ufuna ukuclaim ukuthi umoshela isikhathi uzayile court athi ngihleli naye isikhathi esigaka mina ngifuna this uza kutshela icourt. We understand uza kutshela icourt but then to force ukuthi yena athi mina ngiyahlala which is wrong. Tala sigcine separate into zempama uphethe isibhamuzi sihlala two kose nina nikwazi konke lokho. So now she has to be honest. Because ukhambile ebusuku simcala sithi azange simthethe samise roomini. What's wrong with that? Ufuna okay uyawufuna lo muzi nangabe uyawufuna kahlale phansi nakhamba uMoses athi mina ngifuna lo muzi ngifuna uthela. Then bakhipha uMoses wabantu because soloko siyabuye sisenkangala now and then. Because thina always must solve inkinga sifuna ukuthi size 1 second time echild mara soloko nangibaya sho ukuthi ayisizame ngendlela ezinenkulu. Lokho busy yaqhubeka yahlala. Besicela ukuzwe isayitini leni bomama nibona ukuthi si-abuse amalungelo kamama nisitshele nangabe siyawa-abuse ukuthi nawone right ukuthi adime indoda angayinikezi nexa sithi boyfriend indoda kose yenzeni alala nabantwana thina sikhulume nasathi namhlanje mnike something zongavume walile vele wathi mina ngibona ukuthi ngibhode kakhulu sawubona mama amakhemera akekho wena ungakhuluma ivoice ngikuzwile Kubeka usibekele istory sakho ngisho abona amakhemera abheke mina.
Ngikhuluma noma Mhlanga.
Sithokoze nomhlanga.
Last week Friday tume kufikile kwami. Makafika ungena uphethe abantwana bayi2. Igezi bengekho banikhumbula kahle. Athi uqoshiwe la ekhaya wathoma kaphuma hamba. Wamombuzo uphuma uyapi ebusuku labantwana. Wathi angazi.